Welcome to our team, new nurses. This induction program is designed to familiarize you with our hospital's policies, procedures, and culture.
Thank you, Mihira. We're excited to be part of this team.
To ensure patient safety, it's crucial to follow our infection control guidelines meticulously. This includes proper hand hygiene, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, and adhering to isolation precautions.
How do we prioritize tasks and manage our time effectively?
Effective time management is essential in our fast-paced environment. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Use tools like time management techniques to organize your workload.
What are the communication protocols we should follow?
Clear and concise communication is vital in healthcare. Use SBR, situation, background, assessment, and recommendation when reporting patient conditions to ensure effective communication.
How can we maintain a positive attitude and manage stress, Mihira?
Self-care is crucial. Practice stress management techniques like mindfulness and meditation. Seek support from colleagues and supervisors when needed. Mihira, I completely understand that you want to help your skin heal as quickly as possible, especially when an infection or a troubling lump appears. However, I gently urge you to avoid reaching for over-the-counter antibiotic ointments. While their intention is good, these creams often contain ingredients that can irritate sensitive skin, leading to more redness, itching, or even a contact rash. In some cases, they actually slow down your body's natural healing process by disrupting the delicate balance of healthy bacteria on your skin. Instead, there are simpler, safer ways to support recovery. Gently wash the infected area 2 to 3 times each day using warm water mixed with a small amount of salt, about 1 teaspoon per cup of water, which acts as a mild, natural cleanser. Avoid any perfumed soaps, lotions, or wipes, as fragrances can aggravate the area further. A very effective and gentle method is to soak a clean cotton pad in plain, warm water, then press it softly against the lump for a few minutes, repeating this a few times daily. This encourages the area to drain naturally without forcing or squeezing it. Please be patient and kind with yourself. If the lump becomes more painful, red, or doesn't improve within a few days, it's wise to check in with a doctor who can offer you the right care. You deserve to heal gently and thoroughly.